In this video, we'll go through everything you need to know to set up your permanent outdoor lights. First, let's see what's included in the package. With me now is the 30-meter Smarter Kit. We also offer kits in 15 meters and 45 meters, as well as 5-meter expansion packs. The 30-meter kit comes with 60 addressable LED pucks, which are weatherproof and trimmable to fit any home's dimensions. They are compatible with Matter and a variety of smart home ecosystems, such as Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. Now, let's take a peek inside. In the box will be a power supply unit, a controller and its accompanying mount, extension cables, female and male splicers, countersunk screws and button head screws, a H2 drill bit, cable clips, long and short cable covers, spare puck mounts, spare mounting tape, an installation tool, waterproof end caps, and finally the light strings themselves in 5-meter segments. Now, let's get to setting these things up. First, check if your lights are working by connecting your string lights together and plugging them into an outlet. This is important to check in order to catch any issues before your installation. Wipe down the surface you will be mounting your permanent outdoor lights on. The power supply unit can be secured with 2 button head screws. You may need to drill pilot holes if necessary. To mount the controller, peel the protective liner off of the back of the controller mount. Place it on your surface, applying pressure for at least 20 seconds to ensure that the mount sticks. Secure the mount by drilling in the provided countersunk screws, once again drilling in the pilot holes first if necessary. Finish by sliding your controller into the mount. It's a good idea to use the included installation tool to help keep the distance between your wall and your pucks consistent. Trim the tool to your desired length. Place the flat end flush against your wall and use the grooved end to guide your puck's placement. When mounting your first puck, connect it to your controller. Peel the liner off of the adhesive backing and press it firmly against the mounting surface. Slide the puck off from its mount and secure with 2 countersunk screws. You can use either method shown to achieve this. Once secured, slide the puck back into the mount. Make sure the cable is tight when installing subsequent pucks. Hide the cables with the included long cable covers. For each shorter end of a 5-meter light string segment, you must use a cable cover clip placed next to the connection port. You can screw in cable cover clips using countersunk screws. Use the short cable covers to hide these cables. Screw a waterproof end cap onto the last string of your setup, and you're done. Take either your male or female wire splicer. The splicer you use should be opposite to the end you will be reconnecting to. Unscrew the shell and the locking nut. Remove the silicone plug from the shell. Cut your light string with a wire stripper. Feed the cut wire through the locking nut, silicone plug, and shell, with the locking nut towards the puck. Use your wire stripper to remove the white outer sheath to expose at least 26 millimeters of the 3 colored wires. Strip at least 12 millimeters of the colored wires to expose the copper wiring. On your wire splicer, pull back the color tabs and insert each exposed wire in correspondence to the tab's colors. Reassemble the wire splicer by twisting the shell back into place, pushing the silicone plug back in, and firmly securing the locking nut into the shell. You can now reconnect your wire to either an extension cable or your next set of lights. When wrapping cables around corners, first apply cable cover clips to where your corner joint will be. Measure the distance between the corner and the puck. Then slice your cable cover according to your measurements at a 45-degree angle. Attach your cut cable cover onto the cables and you're done. You can now enjoy your permanent outdoor lights. Follow for more Nanoleaf tips.